This is the other side.
His hair grew back.
See?
There's another one over here. Another view side over here. I'm gonna do
A little further, what's called Cape something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, let's
We haven't made it that far yet, but that where we else went.
You don't have to be super close, just don't stand up.
Come.
Oh,
This is Cape Royal. It's the second place. And it's very... Oh,
yeah,
God.
yeah.
Oh, this is Annabelle. Pushing. Hi.
Yan, picture mo dyan. Ito yung maganda oh.
Yun.
Ayun.
Oh, tama. This is the angel window of the Grand Canyon. That's what we see. This is the second place. And the third place is the Cape Royal Grand Canyon. Oh, this is the third place of the Grand Canyon. This is the second place, the name of angel windows of the Grand Canyon. Okay, today we will see you in the next place, amazing place. We are going to Cape Royal.